Welcome to Awesome Good. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to add a spin box to our Tkinter application. So let's start. Just add the title first for our window. That will be spin box widget. And we are going to create by calling tk.spinbox pass in root, and we need a starting value that would be from, I will start from 1 and go up to 20, so that's a 2 value going up to 20. And then we're just going to call the pack method, and we're just going to run our code. And here is our spin box. If you want to go to the next or higher value, just click on the top arrow. And if you want to go to the lower value, just click on down arrow. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.